Okay, so I'm back with Caitlin, and now we're at CVS. It's like 9:30 at night, and we randomly decided we're dyeing our hair pink.
Yep, impulsive decisions. We're doing it. Always wanted to, but now's the time we've decided.
So follow along to see how this goes. It's not going to go very well because I slept 4.5 hours last night, and we have no idea what we're doing, so.
Good. All right.
Let's go. So now we have to go to Walgreens because all they had was pink, best for blondes, and Caitlin's not exactly blonde, so we're just really trying to make this work out right now, and it's just not.
It's not for me to say you.
Okay, I'm not doing this part because I'm already blonde, obviously. But Caitlin has to bleach her hair a little bit, so.
Don't show my mane. Okay. Wait, I don't. This is definitely not enough.
Ew.
Wait, can I just like put no?
Just put it in your hand, I think.
It smells.
And then just like work it through your hair.
Oh, do you smell that? Smell it.
It like hurt. The bleach is setting in. Love to see it. Why is your hair like sparkly? Should I take off my sweatshirt? Nah, I don't want to get it on my skin.
Do you want to borrow a t-shirt that I don't care about? Okay. Pausing
while I get naked.
So Emma is putting her plastic glove on. Safety first, always. Oh, I used that nice little scissor over there.
The knife?
Yeah. You just like bend it kind of with the scissors. Yeah.
That was scary. Okay, should I just like put it in my hand and like?
Yeah. It's very right. I don't know how you want to go about this. Oh, you're going.
Wait, I should put it on the hairbrush.
Yeah,
I'm stupid.
you should.
Wait, and now I just know the gloves. The hairbrush is just gonna like turn. I'll see how it spreads it like that. Oh, was I supposed to mix it with conditioner? It's probably fine.
Is that what it said?
Because like the girl in the box left it in for so long, and it's like not even that bright pink. It doesn't look like this. So I feel like it's fine.
Yes. Wait, how do I like? Good angle, okay. Okay, so we're kind of just going for it. She didn't wash the bleach out, so we're not really sure how that's gonna work, but it should be fine, hopefully. Show up in the vlog. Okay, Caitlin's like didn't. Like, I know this is bad lighting and, like, her hair's totally wet. She, like, literally just got out of the shower. But it's, like, not showing up that much. Yeah. So she might, like, do it again tomorrow after it's dry. But mine is so bright. Like, it's, like, might be too much. But I don't know. I'm going to the gym tomorrow morning, so I'm going to wash it again. And then I guess we'll reevaluate. But, like, it might be too much. I don't know. Yeah, well, we'll see. We had to do it, you know, quarter life crisis over here. What can I say? So we'll update you later with how it looks.
It's not for me to say you